Smart factory design and consulting services, including: first, smart industrial park planning. Smart industrial park design centers on overall planning, intelligently organizes pedestrian, logistics, and vehicle flows, and builds an integrated management platform to achieve efficient collaboration, intensive resources, and intelligent operation. Second, energy-saving facility design. Energy-saving facility design focuses on HVAC energy reduction, water recycling, and intelligent management, achieving efficient energy use, low-carbon operation, and intelligent control via a smart energy management platform. Third, intelligent production logistics planning and design. Intelligent production line and logistics planning integrates intelligent production, logistics, and warehouse design for automated, digitalized, and highly efficient collaboration across production, logistics, and storage. Fourth, lean layout planning and process simulation. Lean layout planning and process simulation realize efficient space utilization, smooth logistics, and accurate capacity matching through lean layout and logistics design, as well as process and capacity simulation. Fifth, lean digitalization production operations planning. Lean digital production and operation planning realizes lean digital and intelligent upgrading through value stream analysis, end-to-end bussiness process re-engineering, system integration, and AI scenario planning. The core characteristic of smart factory planning services lies in the trinity of engineering design, GMP compliance, digital transformation planning, seamlessly integrated. We provide an end-to-end, one-stop solution that deeply combines technology and business, from top-level strategy to on-ground implementation. Smart factory planning delivers multifaceted benefits, including reduced investment, improved space and personnel efficiency, enhanced logistics, lower energy use, and full quality traceability for higher regulatory approval rates.